Dual credit allows high school students to take college-level courses for both high school and college credit. This can help students save time and money on their college education and give them a head start on their careers. We're sharing this video with you to highlight the innovative and transformative work happening here in rural northern Wisconsin at Nicolet College and across the entire Wisconsin Technical College system.
The dual credit program through Nicolet has really helped us to, number one, increase the number of students that we have in our sections. We went from a handful of students to, I believe, 5 sections of welding, 2 different levels. We've also been able to increase the processes that we've been using before. We did some stick and some MIG, and now we're into TIG welding, and we're doing aluminum and flux core, so we've really opened up the opportunities for the kids to learn many different facets of welding. Through the Nicolet Dual Credit Program, our students are exposed to the entire Nicolet welding curriculum, and they do it in the comfort and the safety of their own school. We're here 4 days a week under my instruction, 1 day with John from Nicolet, his welding instruction. We have taken some field trips to Nicolet to tour their facility, to work with instructors for a full day there, but most of it takes place right here in Three Lakes.
After high school, I'm going to go out to college in South Dakota for industrial engineering, and having the skills I've learned here in the welding program will definitely help with that, because industrial engineers often work on a factory floor, and knowing how to weld on equipment and machines just helps a ton. Not only will I be graduating through the high school's welding program, but I'll be graduating through Nicolet's stick welding and wire feed welding class, and I'll get the certifications for that, which will just help me immensely in the future with getting a job and being in the workforce. The connections I've made through Nicolet definitely help me with the local employers for when I want to move back here after college to start my career.
The dual credit program helps the high school students accelerate faster into the workforce by giving them training sooner and earlier in their educational careers. Being able to offer these classes in this platform helps us get high school students to a graduation from college level classes faster. They're able to complete the college level courses while they're going to school in a high school setting. So some students will actually achieve college certificates before they achieve high school diplomas. Dual credit program also offers us the opportunity to work closely with the high school instructors and help train them at a higher level so they can deliver higher quality education. First year that we offered this at Three Lakes High School, we had about between 6 and 8 students who participated. The second year we offered it, we were up into the 20s, and we're hoping that next year the opportunity grows again and we have more students enrolled in it for next year.
By providing high school students with the opportunity to learn essential skills, follow pathways to the workforce, and save time and money on their college education, dual credit can help to ensure that our workforce is better prepared for today's and tomorrow's jobs.